Cameraman. Nope.
Dude, I shot you. I know I did. I didn't feel a hit, man. I'm sorry. All right. You know what? I'm going to count out for that then.
Wait, so is that guy hit or what?
Guys, if you aren't going to advance, back up. Oh, you're uploading this later, right?
Hmm?
You're uploading this later?
Hmm?
Everyone's in there.
Oh, no.
Is someone covering the side?
Yeah.
You got it?
Got my dead rag.
Let me know when they're advancing on this side.
Hi, Eric. Cameraman coming in. Just gonna sit here. Say hi. You guys outside? I can't do anything. I'm a cameraman. Thank you for not shooting, Justin.
Ow. Can someone help me?
No.
Cover that back.
Who's got the music playing?
Yeah, there we go.
Cameraman. Oh. I expect an apology.
I'm lucky, I got this box.
Hit, go. Hit.
Ow, hit.
Defenders, you can no longer respond! Got this guy in this room right here.
What's the dude with the flag that just hit him in the back of the head 3 times?
Reach the building!
Got this guy's pretty cool. Say again?
Spikes on the helmet?
Yeah, with the flag.
Cameraman, don't shoot me.
Excuse me, am I getting shot again? You good?
Dead man coming out! Yeah, he's dead. Dead man coming out. I'm out.
Do not shoot someone who said they're coming out!
Clear the building, guys!
Still in there?
I can't say anything.
Get out the building!
Dead man. Cameraman.
Clear.
Someone there?
Sit. Dead man. Sit.
Let him walk out. Let the dead man go.
Dead?
Dead man coming out!
Dead man, come out.
Dead man.
Okay, go.
Clear it out, guys!
Clear.
Alright, guys, that's game. Take your mags up!
Go ahead.
Well, my name's Doug Williams, and I'm a recovering alcoholic. I'm new here to the meetings. You know, I don't really know. I'm homeless. I live in my car, and I sell my body for money. It's a horrible life.
All right, I'm gonna leave it at that. Say hi, Joe.
Hello.
He's right on the tires, right there. There he is. See him?
Oh yeah, I saw him on the run.
He wants blood.
Well, I'm out of this side of that one. Who wants to suppress me so I can go back to the
When, Rob, when your guys attack and we're in Vietnam, or, you know, you want to take the whole hill? Like, you want to take the trail up by the Red House and the trail by Fuel Depot?
Am I alone? That just shattered.
Ashley!
Hit.
Ashley, oh fuck.
I don't know if it was a hit, I just called it.
Hit, too close.
Vietnam at the American Standard Fuel Depot.
Move up, move up!
And it was like,
Well, everybody, here's Eric. Hi.
semi, and
Say
it
hi,
was
Eric.
cold, and then
Yeah. So, Eric, what you rocking today?
Yeah?
Yeah, what you rocking?
I'd be rocking my M4.
You happy with your M4? Happy with your 1911?
Yeah.
All right, good. Everybody knows, for you morons that watch our videos, Eric is our co-captain.
Yeah, and that was Jake.
Jake's our
Private weed.
He's our new member today.
I'm the private weed.
Yes.
I got the shot of the day, guys. Knuckle shot, and he shot me in the balls. Eric shot me in the balls.
Well, that's great. Jake's a new member, just joined. He's already passed. He's on the team. So welcome, Jake Weed. Mason's still trying out, his little brother.
Sweaty as balls.
For that comment, you're not allowed. Everybody knows Joe?
Hello.
Hello, Joe. Brett, you have any wise words to say to the camera, as I know you always do? One wise word. That is enough. No doctor today.
Okay, well, this doctor has been killing a lot lately, and just keep killing.
All right, that's why we have Brett. Justin, you wanna?
No.
You don't wanna? Well, Ian's trying out today too. Ian, you wanna say hi?
Yeah.
Hey, Paul.
Really badass, by the way.
You wanna come say anything to YouTube? Anybody wanna say anything to YouTube while I have the camera out?
Subscribe.
Do not subscribe to him. He's a tool.
We're gonna look at
This is
Eric.
the team page.
Eric looks really
Get us
badass.
to a million
We're gonna look at Eric.
subscribers and
Eric
we'll
looks
give
really
you
badass
nothing.
right now.
This is like my last statement. Subscribe to us, but laugh at him whenever he gets
We
hit.
good? Or are we going now? Or
This guy who wears this stuff and rocks that tiny ass M4.